Thank you for tuning in to my channel, Billionaires Club 101. Today's topic is starting your own credit repair business. What is credit repair? Well, credit has something to do with how you're paying your debts off, and you have three major credit bureaus. You have Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, when you're using your credit cards, debit cards, or have what's called a trade line. Say you have a phone bill or you have a car note. Based on how you pay these, so when you get financing for a car, when you buy a car, say for example the car is $25,000, and you have a down payment. So your down payment maybe $5,000, and you get the car. Now you are going to pay the financial institution for them financing your car loan. Now, based off of you're making timely payments on your current debts, which is your car loan, that entity reports that you are paying it on time. Now, when you become delinquent, that also get reported as a late payment. And say, for example, you default in paying your car note. Now, some people default based on their circumstances, not being responsible, or possibly they have a loss of income for whatever reason. And now that person is in default. Now they get their car for a few months. Now they get the car repossession. That repossession also go on your credit report. Now that does have a negative effect on your credit report, and it can bring down your Fico score down. So your Fico score is actually your credit score, all right? So Fico is FICO, Fair Isaac Company. So that's just a tool they use to measure your credit score, okay? So based off of your credit score, the next time you're trying to apply for credit, it shows your trustworthiness of how you're going to pay, possibly how you're going to pay those bills. Just like when you're applying for an apartment or buying a home, they do a credit check. Now, based off your credit score, it tells that person who is possibly going to be saying yes or no to you based off of if you're looking to rent a place or you're looking to buy a home. It's going to show them your ability to pay that institution, okay? So your credit score is most important when you're looking to buy a home, buy a car, rent a place or rent a property, or anytime someone needs to pull credit to see how your ability to pay those debts, okay? Now there are ways to increase your credit. You can do it alone by yourself and have that trial and error, okay? Or you can use a credit repair specialist. Now for those who are looking to build or have a credit repair business, this is for you. So this is what in the description box below, I'm going to provide you a link so you can become a credit repair specialist. Now, it's a free training course. The free training course is going to give you from A to Z about how to help people with repairing their credit and also rebuilding their credit. So to be on the platform, you get a 30-day free trial to test drive this business opportunity to become a credit repair specialist. Okay, so you're going to get a free trial for 30 days to test drive it. But before you test drive the credit repair business opportunity, there is a free training that I'm offering you. There's no cost, no obligation for the free training. But also what's included in this free training, you're going to get a certificate of completion, and you're going to be a certified credit repair specialist. Now, the free training consists of how to, teach about credit repair, how people default and get delinquent on their credit scores, and then how you can become a credit repair business owner and helping hundreds or thousands of people to build their credit to get them the home loan they're looking for, or help them get a better rate when they're coming to buy a car, but also some people are looking to rent a property. So this is where you're going to come in. Now, your clientele is going to be the public, but also I'm going to give you some tips on who is your lead source when you're building your credit repair business. Now, your lead source is going to be your real estate agents and also your loan officers. Now, your loan officers are someone who works for the lending institution that deals with people. Some people may come to them with some struggling credit, and they can be a good referral source to you at no cost, and you're going to provide your service to help that person get into a credit worthiness position for them to get a home loan through that loan officer that referred them to you. So your business go hand in hand. So your clientele or your lead source are going to be real estate agents. You can talk to real estate agents throughout the United States. Your credit repair business is you picking up your phone, you calling that client saying, hey, I'm whatever your name is, James Jones, with whatever credit repair service company you call yourself, or you say, I do credit repair. And this is how you can help them. Now, the business opportunity is going to also show you how to acquire a lot of clients. But also remember, this is a business, and if you have no experience, that's okay. So in the description box below, there is a link for a free training of the credit repair business and also how to get started and being successful. But also the platform that you are going to be, your business is going to host on, you get a 30-day free trial to see if this is for you. So there's no credit card numbers or there's no credit card or money coming off your credit card to get started with this opportunity. It's a free 30-day trial. Now, there are a lot of people who are doing very successful in their credit repair business because you know why? They post an ad on social media, people click on their links, and they get in touch with them. Of course, some people are, they don't want to let the world know about they have troubled credit. So when you're making your Craigslist post, the training is also going to show you tips and tricks on how to engage with those people who are needing credit repair. And another way you can, when you're advertising on social media, let them know they can private message you, and let them know that their information is confidential, so they don't have the world looking into their troubled credit. Okay, so you'll get all the training, you get all the tools that's going to be making you very successful in your credit repair business. But of course, in the credit repair business, some people do not have experience, and with this company that you're going to see, the training is going to put you in a position where you can turn your newfound learned training and education through this program and helping people to get a better credit score and get those things in life that they're looking for to move forward. Okay, so if you are a person who's looking for a credit repair business, now there are a lot of companies that are out there that's offering a credit repair business. That's fine for you to go take a look at them, but if they're charging you an upfront fee, that's your business to take on that entity and seeing if that's the right fit for you. But for this program, you get a free training course first, give you the ins and out of the credit repair business, and then you'll get a 30-day free trial of the platform, so you can get started fast and quick and start building your business. Okay, and then once that happens, you will start to make an income. All right, so this is going to be something that you can do in your spare time, part-time, or some people are in it full-time. Some people are in it full-time. They hire other people to join with them and on their platform, and they have a team. They have a certain team who makes the phone calls. They have a certain team to do certain tasks, and then you are the person that oversees certain things. So if you're a person who's looking to be a solo person that has your own thing, that's fine. But you can also have other users that you want to employ to assist you with your credit repair business. Now, if you're a person who's know what your strengths are, and you have someone that you can trust to put their talents to benefit your credit repair business, this is a platform you can do that as well. So I want to thank you for tuning in to Beginners Club 101, and this is your opportunity to have your own credit repair business. Good. There are some people who are, they join a credit repair business, they do nothing, they make nothing. There's some people who join the credit repair business, they do something sometimes, and they make a good spare time income. But then there are those people who said, this is a business that I want to pursue. I know there's a need, and there's a lot of people that you can help, and in turn, as you helping them, you're also getting paid to do so. Now, the suggestive prices of what you should charge is also going to be included in your training. So you know exactly what you're going to be charging a person for a monthly basis, and this is a recurring fee that you're going to be getting paid by your clientele. But the best part is when you help one person fix their credit, they're going to refer other people they know who possibly have troubled credit, but also your lead source or your real estate agents, and then also your mortgage brokers that's going to be possibly needing your service as well. But also talk to your friends, family, your neighbors, and let them know you are now in the credit repair business. If they or someone they know needs some credit repair assistance, you are the one that they can come to. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. The links in the description box below. And if you're not a subscriber to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. We're going to give you some more details on other opportunities that are out there that are going to be able to make you earn some money working from home. Thank you very much for tuning in.